A big success, and dahil po dyan, kami po itaos pusong nagpapasalamat po sa inyong lahat.
Sikat na naman si Magalong.
Again, we thank the different Filipino-Chinese associations. Now welcome our friends from Host Food. Wonderful opportunity to have you guys join the Spring Festival. Hindi lang pala ito Chinese New Year parade. Naging 4 pala of the annual celebration. We have the Baguio Filipino Chamber of Commerce, Association of Philippine-China Understanding,
the horse.
Filipino-Chinese Avenue. Same way that you guys enjoyed it. Maraming salamat. You've been with K9 Sports Club. Indeed, you will see the Spring Festival.